All right, I started getting more serious with my YouTube channel, and so I wanted a camera that was going to improve the quality of my YouTube videos, and the Canon M50 does it. This is an amazing camera. Not only does it do great video, it also does great still photos, and I love the flip open screen. This is one of my favorite things because I can put this on my tripod and I can see myself while I am doing my YouTube videos. So, and you can see that it goes pretty far back like that. And of course you can leave it closed if you want to just see in the back. And this has auto settings that make it so easy to do great videos and great pictures. It also connects to my Wi-Fi. So the software that I have on my computer, I can hook to my camera and do downloads instantly of my videos or pictures that I've taken. Also, I use a microphone for doing my YouTube videos. There's a spot right here, plug it in the microphone, super easy, works great, and you can close that up. And then it also has the adjustable lens. So it's a 15 to 45 millimeter. And I've since upgraded my lens, but when I first started, this worked fantastic. So I'm actually going to show you a little video I did with this camera, and it just has everything you need. It has the flash and the all different settings, the manual mode if you just want to do auto, and you can even hook it to a remote. I have a remote that I use with it now, and it's just such a great camera. I've had it about 4 years now, and I'm still using it. And it's really easy to take out the battery or the SD card or put one in. So you just move that little button, battery slides right out, put it right back in. And then also right above it is the SD card. You just press your finger on it and it releases, and you can slide it right out and then slide it right back in. Like so, super easy. And then it has a tripod mount, which I definitely use. And then here's a short clip of me using the camera. You can see that I'm really in focus. There is a clear picture on here, so I would definitely recommend this camera.